Hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today is March 2nd and I have to restock everything in my house in order to get back on track and reset. I'm all out of fresh vegetables and fruits. I do have a ton of proteins like chicken and fish and things like that, so I'm not really needing that. It's really just the vegetables and fruits and eggs, basic whatever. Restock. My fridge is basically empty. So I thought, because I have to go to 3 different stores in order to do this, because there's things I like from Costco, there's things but I don't like to buy my fruits and vegetables from Costco, so I have to go to a different store for that. And then on top of that, I also need fresh water, jugs of water, and that I get from Walmart. So I have to hit 3 stores. So in order to make sure I actually hit all 3, I thought, I'll take you along with me. I'll turn it into a vlog. I'll show you what I'm buying to restock and kind of what I'm thinking my meals are going to be as I'm getting back on track here in March. So yeah, already at Costco. So let's get this taken care of. Oh yeah, and by the way, it's like 5:30 because I literally couldn't have put this off anymore. Okay, let's get this done.
In the supermarket, I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for a special offer, guaranteed personality. I wasn't born so much as I fell out. Nobody seemed to notice me. We had a hedge back home in the suburb, over which I never could see. I heard the people who live on the ceiling noise was my first ever feeling. That's how it's been all around me. I'm all lost in the supermarket. I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for a special offer, a guaranteed personality. I'm all tuned in, I see all the programs. I save coupons for packets of tea. I've got my giant hit discotheque album. I empty a bottle, I feel a bit free. Kids in the halls and the pipes in the walls make me noises for company. Long distance callers make long distance calls, and the silence makes me lonely.
It's been so long since I've done any kind of a protein shake. I know that Premier Protein is really popular right now, but I was also thinking about a protein bar. But I have not even thought about a protein bar. And look at this aisle. I don't even know where to begin. I'll have to do some research here and figure out what the best bar is. But if you happen to be watching this and listening and you have a suggestion, I'm open. I'm all ears. Okay, so even with my list and me thinking I was running really fast and doing really good, I still lost an hour in there. But having you watch definitely kept a bunch of that junk food out of my cart. I tell you, I am so addicted to that popcorn. I just love it. That compliments Chicago mix. I just love it. I could have, if I would have bought that bag, I'm telling you, I would have eaten that giant thing. Well, maybe not quite in one sitting, but definitely within inside of 2 days it would have been gone. So because I've been buying the smaller bags at 7-Eleven and eating those in one sitting, and those smaller bags are actually a large bag, right? Can't remember how many. It doesn't matter. What matters is thank you for being here and stopping me from putting a bunch of crap in my cart. So 2 more stores to go, and there's a good half-hour drive between now and the next one because we have one Costco in our city and it's on the other side of town from me. So I always have to take the bypass in order to avoid all of the crap of the city traffic because I don't enjoy it. So yeah, so time to drive across town and do the second leg.
In the supermarket, I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for the special offer, a guaranteed personality. in the supermarket. I can no longer shop.
Hey, and stop number 2 is done. Water and a little bit of hair care stuff is taken care of. So now I'm going to Superstore for the big one. This is all of the fruits and the vegetables. It is currently 20 after 7. The only thing I've eaten today is a ham and cheese croissant that I picked up at Starbucks on my way out to the store because I am the world's best procrastinator. But at home, I pre-roasted some tomatoes and garlic and red peppers and stuff because I'm gonna make like a nice soup out of that. I just have to get the rest of the stuff from the store. And then I bought that giant Caesar salad at Costco, and that's kind of my plan for supper. I'm gonna get some probably sourdough bread at Superstore as well, and then that's gonna end up being my supper tonight. I feel like I'm gonna want something more than that, though. That's not gonna be enough, but I could, I've got meat. I'll make an actual sandwich. So maybe I won't have the Caesar salad. Maybe look, that doesn't matter. We're here for shopping. So you can tell I'm starting to get hungry. It's 7:30. Okay, so this is probably going to take like another hour, but I just got to drive across the street this time. At least it's not across town. So I'm going to do that, and let's start getting some vegetables in the cart.
Happily, I came in here for the special offer. Guaranteed personality. I'm now lost in the supermarket. I can no longer shop happily. I came in here for a special offer. Guaranteed personality. I'm all lost. I'm all lost. I can no longer shop happily. I'm all lost.
Okay, it is 8:15. I just finished at the Superstore, and now I have everything in the car. I'm gonna run home. I'm gonna get it unloaded. I don't know how much of that I'm gonna film for you because it's already 8:15 and I want to eat my supper. But I think it went really successful. They didn't have any asparagus, so I really wanted that. And then there was another vegetable that they didn't have here that avocado. I kind of picked them up and showed you. They were all really disgusting looking, super brown, but super hard. So yay, Canada. It's hard to get a good avocado in February, March, I guess. So yeah, so I'm gonna go home and get this stuff unloaded, and then I will give you a quick rundown of everything I bought. Okay, so I'm back home now. I got all of the groceries into the house, but I still have to get them into the fridge. I just thought I'd give you a quick look at what we're working with. So as I said, it's pretty empty. I've got nothing in the drawers right now. This is all alcohol. This entire shelf is alcohol. So all of that is going to come out because I have also decided that I'm going to do a sober March and help to jumpstart myself back on track. So yeah, so I thought I'd show you the before, and then I'm going to try to do one of those cool little afters. So this is the before. I know, I'm so dumb. And then here it is, all filled back up. Yay! Okay, so I got rid of the alcohol. We've got a couple of Greek yogurts back here, just plain Greek yogurt, because I go through quite a bit of it. Then I got a thing of Parmesan cheese because I'm impressionable, and somebody said that Parmesan cheese is your best for protein, high protein, and like weight lossy type cheese. So like I said, impressionable. Here we've got a couple of grapes. That's from the last time at the grocery store. Sorry, this door. And then I've got strawberries, blueberries, kiwi, and tomatoes back there. We've got the, this is cheddar and broccoli soup from Costco. I really like that. This is this is the old one, and then I got 2 more. This is old 12 eggs. I'm gonna end up hard boiling these eggs, and then of course 60 new eggs. I didn't get egg whites. I didn't get asparagus. I didn't get avocado. There was one other thing. It'll come to me. So I got creamer, milk, half and half. My big old bag of spinach, cucumbers, mushrooms, red cabbage, cauliflower. That is all Roma lettuce. I got some new lemon and lime stuff here, and then that's really it. Other than that, I got sourdough bread, pre-sliced sourdough bread. I got oh, pineapple over on this side. So we've got pineapple. I still have a butternut squash from before. I still have a couple of sweet potatoes from before, acorn squash, bananas. This is a dino melon. I recently found them. I really like them. And then of course a big old bag of apples. And those are just gonna ripen or whatever, sit on the counter. I don't really like to put those into the fridge. Takes up too much room. Sorry, my brain is like, I'm hungry. That's all I'm thinking about. So yeah, I am fully restocked. So tomorrow is when I'm fully back on my meal plan, although I really today, like I said, I haven't eaten, and part of the reason why was because I didn't want to eat a bunch of junk food. So for supper tonight, I am going to have that big Caesar salad and probably a little bowl of the soup that I made today. If I don't have any of it, it'll just go on to the schedule for tomorrow. So yeah, so I'm not sure what time I'm going to start my eating window tomorrow. I'm not sure what everything else is going to look like yet. I just really wanted to get the grocery shopping taken care of. I am trying to get back on track. I keep telling myself, well, I was supposed to start being back on track today. But you know, I'm just kind of not in the best spot with everything. So it's been taking me a little bit to get back on track, but I am getting there. Okay, I will get this video edited for you, get it put up. If you're still here, thank you so much for hanging out with me in this weird vlog. I really do appreciate it, because I'm serious when I tell you that me filming this is a big reason on why I didn't put a bunch of crap in my cart. So the accountability of this channel is super important to me, so that's the whole reason why I'm doing this channel, is for the accountability. So I really do appreciate the people that stick around, watch. If you have any suggestions of anything that I said that you feel different about, like I said about those protein bars, if you have a suggestion on a protein bar, I'm totally down for that. And then yeah, I've got the Premier Protein to try to start opening my eating window earlier in the day, so I don't end up with a day like today where I'm busy and I'm running around and I just don't have time to eat. So now it is 9 o'clock and I've had a ham and cheese croissant. So yeah, anyways, you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you very, very soon.